Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Volkswagen Jetta key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. It's important to avoid touching the new battery's terminals with your bare fingers, as oils can reduce its lifespan. This simple process will get your key fob working like new again. Now, let's open the key fob. First, locate the small seam running along the side of your key fob. This is where you'll insert your tool. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this seam. With a gentle twist of the screwdriver, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Usually, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing the correct direction, just as the old one was. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and gently press them together until they snap securely into place. You should hear a satisfying click. Once reassembled, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure they are working correctly and that your car responds. If everything functions as expected, you've successfully replaced your battery. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.